Welcome, in front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 8 and today I will show you how I can activate Hey Google on this device. You have to go for Google app, find more, move to the settings and then go for the voice. Find voice match, tap on the switcher into the Hey Google feature, click next, tap right here. In my case it's ready, but you will get a circle like that if you are using this account and this smartphone for the first time, and you have to say OK Google and the Hey Google for the 2 times. Hey Google, and the last one, Hey Google. As you can see, it's finished. So right now when you say Hey Google or OK Google, your assistant will be activated. If you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.